can go from this to this in about 5 minutes. Okay, that's it, and you got your wig back.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for a quick video on this unit right here. This is the Sensationnel Amani Wig. I love this wig. She's only like $24, $25, $26, $27. Affordable, but just because she's affordable does not mean that you don't want to maintain her. You want to keep buying these wigs over and over again because it adds up to being a full human hair wig. We're not doing that, okay? We save our money over here. So I fell upon like a little bit of a hack to increase its shelf life, like make it last like a tad bit longer. Where's my ring? I don't love my ring. Hold on one second. I love this Sensationnel Amani wig. One thing about it, and I said it in my first review video, if you haven't seen it, check it out. When you touch this hair, like you touch it a little bit, you move a little bit, it fluffs out. It gets really, really big. You want to be able to use peripheral vision. That's absolutely necessary. If you want it to be a little bit more tame, there's definitely a product that you can use, and she's affordable, and you can get it from your local beauty supply store. Or in my link down below, it's the Nairobi Wrap and Shine Foaming Lotion. Love this stuff. I'm gonna show you quickly how to maintain it and how you can go from this to this in about 5 minutes. Okay, that's it, and you got your wig back. If you want to see how I did this, I'm just gonna quickly get into it and then I'll be back. So you're going to start off by putting on your wig, obviously. Now, under this wig, I always wear a wig grip just because it's easier for the wig to stay on my head and it doesn't slide back. I will leave a link for the wig grip as well as the wig down below. So the first thing that you're going to do to tame this hair, okay, all you need is this Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So you just put some in your hand, a whole lot in there. And what we're gonna do, let's try it on this side. Just gonna, you can run your fingers through it if you want to, but it's not exactly necessary. You can just smooth it down. Smooth it down. Now this solution is temporary. Even though it's a temporary solution, the synthetic hair is softer. I've noticed once I put this foam on it. What? Girl. So, let's put some up here. Unlike human hair, synthetic hair cannot be saturated. So you're not exactly saturating this hair, you're coating the synthetic fibers with this stuff. And I think it just gives it more weight without adding like a product that's gonna make it more tangly. Because I did notice that the hair did matte. Ooh. I noticed that the hair matted down. It only matted in the areas like in the back of the neck. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, it does tangle, but you're not trying to comb through this wig. You're just trying to flatten it out. Now, when I get towards the ends, I do run my fingers through it just a little bit because I don't want it to look all matted. I still want the waves. This much shedding. You want to get on the inside too because that part really puffs up. So oh my God. And as you can tell, look at the hair. And it just looks like I've wet it a little bit. Once you've put enough of this foam on your hair, you put enough to your liking, just wait. Wait and let it dry. Don't fluff out the hair. Don't play with it too much because you'll end up having to redo it. Let me go ahead and do this one part on the back. It doesn't take that long to technically dry. Like I said, it's sitting on top of the hair. It's not saturating the hair. I would say it's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes to like dry, or I would say set. You can see that the hair is completely dry and she looks so good. The curls are completely formed together. If you do touch it, it will fluff back out again, but you can use this Nairobi stuff again. I've used it 2 or 3 times and it works the same way every single time. I noticed that the ends are getting rougher on this wig, but it really doesn't matter because it's a curly wig, so the ends can be rough and you'd never be able to tell. Just don't brush through the wig. You just smooth the wig down. Take care of her. Like I said, she's a mink. Okay, take care of her. Let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like in the back. Ooh, oh, ooh. Giving y'all like just for me tease. Dark and lovely. So good. If y'all want to go ahead and try the method after you get your wig, y'all let me know if it worked for you, if y'all like it. This is my little quick tip. I love you all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell just so you can see every single time I post. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.